This is gonna be how to make a pancake. If you don't know how to make one, but yeah. Hi.
Alright, what do we start with, Mom?
You start with the flour.
Wait, no, what did we put in here first? What did we put in here first?
Put the egg in first.
Okay, so crack an egg.
So we crack the egg. And then we get the milk.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
Here, so one.
We get 2
Brand new.
teaspoons.
1/4 of a cup of milk.
1/4 of a cup of milk. There.
Then we need 1/4 of a cup of water. So go get that.
Whee!
Yes. Perfect. And we're back.
And carefully walk back and pour it in.
Alright, what's next?
Flour!
Okay, so you need a 1/2 cup, so you need 2 of these in there.
Okay. If there's any more, just pat it down. Do it again. You want to skim it.
Nice. Not with you.
You make it dirty, but whatever. That's what happens when you're cooking.
That's what happens. Alright, I'm going to heat up some butter, and butter is the last ingredient.
And you put the butter in. You gotta melt it.
Alright, so you need to stir. You ready? And why are we making this pancake this morning?
For my teacher.
Why?
Teacher appreciation.
Good.
You want to also pop the egg. If you see the egg, just pop it. Stab it with a fork. If there's any flour on the side, you want to put it down in the mix.
There's the butter. It's like a tablespoon of butter. Melted. I get it nice and smooth, right? Smooth.
You don't want it to be chunky. Something like this. You don't want it to be chunky.
Right.
So, once it gets pretty smooth, then you pour the pan. But I'm not there yet.
Alright, we're almost to the pan part. Is it smooth?
If it hurts your hand, just do it.
Good idea.
Then we're done.
Ready to cook? Ooh, that looks great. Here, can I get the sides real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's a big one.
That's the one that's clean, so sometimes that's what you go with, alright?
Yeah.
We're making her 2. I think you can get away with 2 in here.
There's 2 for 1 teacher. I mean, 2 for 2 teachers.
Right, we may have to just make a big one.
Big one.
Well, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so...
Spray the pan with butter and and put some oil on. Where's the oil?
Well, if you put butter on, you don't need to put the oil.
Oh.
I like to use butter instead of oil for the pancake. Because it's like sweet. You know?
Yeah.
And olive oil is my favorite thing.
You want to wash your fork.
Wait. Yes, you will want to wash the
You
fork.
need to wash your fork so you can eat it with I'll wash it so you can eat it.
Well,
You
you're
can
not
eat your pancake later.
Yeah, but you're not eating these.
I'm not eating those, but my teacher is.
Yeah.
If you are, watch for it.
All right.
Oh.
See, this is where editing would come in handy because
This.
we're waiting for it to all heat up, and we could just like edit and be like, boom, here's pancake. So we could do that. Anyway. Alright. Do you know how to tell if the pan is ready? No, so you like hover your hand over it and see how hot it is.
Okay.
It's warm, but it could be hotter.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, well, it's probably not. Because you have these on.
I can smell it with my nose. That's how I tell.
You smell it with your nose, huh?
I can taste it with my nose.
Can we pause and come back to this? Or is it on live?
No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm just filming.
Gotcha.
And when it comes to
This
fall.
looks like
You ready?
this could be good. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be one pancake.
Okay. I make one.
I'll make it bigger.
The entire pot.
We only made half of a recipe. So I cut everything in half. This is why math class is good, kids.
But I'm making it from a reading teacher. Does that make a difference? No.
Well, reading's important. If I couldn't read, I couldn't have read the recipe initially to make this for you, and you would be one sad little boy without pancakes, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Where's the spatula?
Good question.
I'm just wondering. I'm not it's not time.
It's not time, you're right, but we do need to be prepared. Spatula. Don't put it on your face, you're going to get it on the pancake. Alright,
That's the bottom.
I need you to also do a little brush to it.
Breakfast. I don't want to burn it.
No, you're good. So when you're looking at the pancake, see if it's ready. So see how the edges look like they're cooked a little bit?
Yeah.
Good, and you want to see like, yeah, what did Dad tell you?
The bubbles.
Exactly.
I
what
don't
was
know
about
how to
say.
tell bubbles.
Okay, so see how you see these little things?
Yeah.
It's starting, but it's not ready yet because it's not like everywhere.
I tell how by the sides.
Yeah, I tell by the sides too.
It's kind of weird too. Not really. I would nice to get later. Come on. Cook.
It's cooking, it's cooking.
I just see steam. I just see like a steam tornado.
A steam tornado?
One, two, three. That's enough cooking for me.
Oh, let's see. Can I see this? I think we can flip it. You want to flip it?
Crepe from the bottom.
It does look like a crepe. Mm-hmm.
I want to flip it.
Wait. Let's get a shot of this. Ready? Oh, all right. Put it down. Nice. That was good.
I'm gonna set it down.
Give it some pat.
edges, so the edges.
Smart.
The edges down, so the edges can cook.
Very smart.
Check.
Okay.
Well, it's done. It's not done yet, but.
Now, last key piece is a big enough.
Well, I'm making this for my teacher, so.
I know, we're going to put it in one piece for her.
I think it's good.
I think it's good too.
So, how do we cancel it?
Alright, so you turn off the heat by
We turn off the heat.
doing that. Then we just need
Still
to.
going.
Yeah, well, it's still going to be hot. You just take the. Huh?
Oh, it's gonna fit. Yeah, me neither.
Here's what we're going to do. That still doesn't fit. Alright.
So,
What
we're
if
putting
we-
one of these, but that's what I'm doing, but
There we go.
you just start it. And then you get your pole.
Pole.
And then you get your bowl.
Mm.
Bowl!
Plate.
Plate. And then you get your plate and the fork, and you
Mm-hmm.
go eat.
That's it. Nice
Bye.
job.